Welcome back to 5-Minute Knives, the show that cancels itself. Today, we're going to talk about a few things, namely our giveaway update for the SE6 Sheath rig. We're giving away at 500 subscribers right around the corner, 489 last I looked. Get a buddy or two to subscribe, and then I will make an update video letting you guys know who won this. I'm going to do a random number generator to everybody that followed instructions. See 3 or 4 videos back for instructions. There's that. So this is being given away, and then possibly for the next giveaway, I'm thinking maybe 750 subs. I'll give away this Kuban cold steel. I have mixed feelings on this knife. Wasn't too expensive though, about 40 bucks I want to say. Maybe 45, I forget. But it wasn't crazy. Decent sheath actually. And a surprisingly fun knife that might be all it's good for. Maybe food prep. I don't know. Your mileage may vary, but at the same time, for me, this has been a very goofy knife to own. I do like it. It is fun. I will say that. But anyway, that's probably the next giveaway. I'll do periodic giveaways just with gear I have laying around I don't want and hook you guys up, and you may enjoy it more than I do. And I don't not enjoy this knife. I think it's fun. I just don't have a real dedicated use for it. You know, next to something like the SE4. And here's a new sheath I made. You guys have been asking for Tech Locks Scout Carry. So this person wanted a Tech Lock large in Scout Carry. Red finishing washers. There's the retention. Some people have said the retention on my knives or sheaths is a little tough. I think it's perfect, of course, because I'm biased. But just let me know when you're ordering your sheath if just use the code word Grandma Package, and I'll know what that means. I'll make lighter retention for you. How's that? So anyway, SE4, very, very capable knife, and that's kind of why the Kuban is a giveaway. Speaking of potential giveaways in the future, this might be like something big like 1,000. I may sell this. Here's a Yojimbo 2. I may keep it. With the 5x5 Combat Solutions Wave. Right there. Review on that coming. So also a Yojimbo 2 versus Manix 2 to compete for my new EDC. Even though I've been carrying the Manix 2 for many a moon. This guy may be my new EDC. I may get rid of it. Tune in to find out. Because if it's not my EDC, I get rid of it. You guys know that. That's why the channel's weird. It's more of a discussion. We don't review the latest and greatest whiz-bang stuff. Not that kind of channel. More just a discussion with some homies on gear. As it comes to me, I don't want to go out of my way and just blow too much money. Also, although I know a lot of you are sick of the Olight Weapon Light videos, I got another one coming. On the Olight Mini 2, I may or may not have picked up a rail. Picanti rail, as I said, Picatinny. For my SIG XL, 365 XL. And I may or may not have picked up that Mini 2 with a holster from Cobra Kydex. So shout out to them. May or may not have. We'll let you know if any of that's true. Okay, shout out to Knife Kits. This video was supposed to be a review on the Worksharp Field Sharpener. A little too boring for me at the time. I will get around to some of this stuff. I just didn't feel like it today. Review on that coming. It's not bad. Spoiler. And then now we're left with some Knife Kit stuff and an orange I'm going to eat later. So here's this. Here's Knife Kits. And if you don't know, it's where I get my Kydex from. They're really great. Their customer service has been awesome. I've been doing business with them for years. I actually had a Kydex company a long time ago. And I'm just getting back into it now. So I dealt with Knife Kits all that time. And they do, on their site, have a wide variety of stuff. And one of the things that they offer are knife kits. That's the name, right? And knife kits are where you can just buy a pre-treated blade, pretty much finished, almost completely finished. You can just possibly sharpen them and you're good to go. They're heat and cryo treated. This was the Persian style I made for my lady for fun at her old place with very minimal tools in an apartment where I did not have the shop I do now. I have a large basement. And I made this in our kitchen. I forget what the handles material is. It's possibly Kieranite. I forget what this is called. Some sort of synthetic. This possibly is X-Grip as well. And then there's mosaic pins. Stainless pins I threw in there. You can't pin these mosaics, just to warn you guys. So you're going to really have to glue. I would recommend maybe getting a couple of smaller pins and have this act as a bolster. Or even you get bolsters and make bolsters for it. Hold everything together. It can separate with hard use. This is a Persian Skinner with a hollow grind. There's not going to be a lot of hard use. This is really just kind of for fun for her. I made her a sheath. And here's the design. The clip design I sort of like best because I like larger blades to kind of hang down a bit. But a lot of people have been asking for a tech lock, so that's why we've been winding up with stuff like this. I prefer a tech lock on smaller blades. The larger blades, I prefer something that drops them down a bit. So that's just me. And then we'll take a look at the new one that I'm doing. This is just for fun. Who knows if I'll sell it when I'm done. There's a Tonto design. I've been watching some samurai films, and I saw this on their site. Picked it up. Comes with a couple of bolsters. I will not be using the bolsters, though. I'm going to use these, and I believe these are X-grip handles. Very beautiful. This is going to go on like so. I think this is going to look really sharp, right? And then I got this mosaic pin right here, and I'm never able to get the end on camera. Oh, I did it. Look how cool that is. So that's going to be the pins. And then I have white Kydex sheath with red finishing washers and silver eyelets. And this whole thing's going to go together, and I'll put a little lanyard on it, and bamskis. It's going to look nice, man. So I guess that's the point. You know, you really don't need a lot of crazy tools. You can watch a few videos on YouTube on how to put these things together. It's not really rocket science. You just have to have a very steady hand and know your tools well. One slip up will result in something that'll annoy you forever. So that's the only thing I can say. A buffing wheel helps to get any scratches out. And that's about it. I mean, just tape everything up. You should be good. Wipe up glue is better than trying to get it out later. Let everything sit for the appropriate amount of time. And then when it comes to Kydex, I don't know. If you're really struggling that much to make your own Kydex sheath for your own knife kit, then just hit me up. And I'll be reasonable. And I'll make you something like this, and you're in business. If you just want the knife, and the Kydex is a pain in the butt, and you don't feel like making a little press for yourself, hit me up. I'll make you something. Or send me the knife, okay? So anyway, that's it for me. Just checking in with you guys, letting you know that the giveaway is happening. Go back a few videos. New giveaways are coming. And just thank you guys for helping us get to 500. And I guess the next one will be at 750 and then 1,000. And then from there, we'll see where it goes. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out. And I'll see you guys next time on 5 Minute Knives.